Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're like me and love having a perfectly polished look without the mess, the weight, or the hassle, today's review is for you. I'm testing out the Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani Press-On Nails in the all-black shade. These nails promise a salon-quality gel manicure in minutes. And the best part? No glue, no drying time, just press and go. But do they live up to the hype? Let's see. These imPRESS press-on nails feature Pure Fit technology, which makes them ultra slim and comfortable to wear. The design is a short Squoval shape, which is super versatile and flattering. And the deep black color is perfect for anyone who loves a classic, bold look. The set comes with 30 nails, which gives you a lot of options for sizing, plus a prep pad, a mini file, and an instruction sheet to guide you through the process. What really sets these nails apart is the Super Hold adhesive, which is what makes them stick so well without the need for any messy glue. It's advertised as being chip-proof, smudge-proof, and waterproof. Essentially, the nails are meant to last through daily activities without any issues. I was curious to see how they'd hold up. Application was a breeze. I prepped my nails with the included pad, filed them a bit, and pressed on the nails one by one. It only took a few minutes to apply the full set. They felt comfortable right away, no tightness or awkward fit. I was able to get a polish-free, professional-looking manicure in no time. The nails are lightweight, and I honestly forgot they were even there at times. As for real-world performance, these nails definitely impressed me. I wore them through various activities, typing, cooking, and even washing dishes. They stayed in place throughout the day without lifting or peeling, and they definitely gave me that fresh gel manicure look. I did notice, however, that one or two of the nails showed a bit of wear after about 5 days of use, but nothing that made them unwearable. It's not a perfect, long-term solution like salon gel nails, but for a quick fix, they deliver on their promise. Pros: the no-glue application is incredibly easy and convenient. The Super Hold adhesive really works. These nails stayed put for multiple days without any problems. The color is bold and chic, perfect for anyone who loves a dark, edgy look. They're also safe for natural nails. No worrying about harsh chemicals or damaging your nail bed. Cons? While the application is easy, removal can be a bit tricky if you don't follow the instructions properly. I recommend using a gentle method to ensure you don't damage your nails. The wear time isn't as long as a professional manicure. They lasted about a week, but I did experience some minor chipping towards the end. So what about value for money? The price point is reasonable, considering how easy they are to apply and how they look. While they may not last as long as salon manicures, they are a fantastic alternative to traditional polish or more expensive salon options, especially if you want to change your nail look regularly or if you need a last-minute mani before an event. Now, if you're after a more budget-friendly alternative, there are definitely other press-on nails available. Brands like Ardell and Static Nails offer similar designs and wear time for a slightly lower price. However, the imPRESS nails stand out because of their patented Super Hold technology, making them a solid choice if you're looking for something easy, quick, and reliable. When it comes to build quality, the nails themselves are sturdy and well-made, and the packaging is compact, making them easy to store. Longevity-wise, I found they were great for a quick manicure, but if you're looking for a long-term option that stays flawless for 2 weeks or more, you might want to consider other professional alternatives. As for customer service, I haven't had to contact the brand directly, but Kiss has a solid reputation for good customer care and stands behind its products. To wrap things up, the Kiss imPRESS press-on nails are a solid option if you're after a quick and easy manicure that looks great without the hassle of polish or glue. They're ideal for busy people, those who love variety, or anyone looking to DIY their manicure without sacrificing quality. While they might not last as long as salon options, they are definitely worth trying out if you need a fast, stylish solution. If this review was helpful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used these press-on nails, drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. Did they work as well for you as they did for me? Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, Stay beautiful inside and out.